important. Now I'm going to start this live with YouTube also. I'm in Zoom and I'm in YouTube. And I want you to let me know if there are any questions or comments. What we can do is you can type in whatever concern you might have with regards to the English language and how I can help you improve your English skills. So professional skills, communication skills. To be a bilingual professional, you need to have more exposure of the language. You need to improve your skills to be able to go to that global marketplace. I am here to help you. So thank you very much for being here today and welcome everybody one more time. The power of thanking others. That is our topic today. And we're going to start by saying that 2 words, thank you. And it is a powerful productivity tool just because we are acknowledging that people are in our lives and that they are contributing to what is happening in our business, in our professional life. And that is something that we should be grateful for. Now, when are we supposed to say thank you? All the time. All the time, at the end of a project, after implementing something, that you just did, some kind of work, in a meeting, say thank you. Anytime that somebody contributes to something that you're doing, just say thank you. Thank you. And gratitude gives people a lift. It gives them a boost of energy. Try it. Just say thank you. Thank you at every moment that you can. And think about, when are you grateful? Are you grateful for anything special today, Friday? We're about to go on the weekend. And what are you grateful for? Or what can you acknowledge as being a contribution to your life? And thank that person who was responsible for that action. So let's try to step into gratitude. Let's realize how lucky we are. We realize how good the world is. There are really terrible things going on, and that really worries me too, and it makes me feel sad. But I want to focus on the good stuff, like we said yesterday. And I want to know that there's someone out there, there's something that I need to thank and be grateful for. I would like to acknowledge all the people that help me in my daily life, making this a better world. And I think that people would say, well, what is she talking about? I've said we were going to be discussing life topics. We're going to be discussing business topics. And so how can being grateful be a productivity tip? If it is, you're boosting people's energy, of course, it's going to be a productivity tip. And how might this save me? Save me time, because in the future, you're going to be able to say, let's collaborate, let's do this. And you've already got that energy going. So I think that this tip today is basically an acknowledgement tip. You have to acknowledge who are the people in your life. What are the things that we have to be grateful for? Just look around. It's important to look around in our world and find something that we're grateful for. What are you grateful for? Did you know that when people say thank you, when people feel gratitude down in their heart, it really helps people around you, your team, the people that help you accomplish your tasks. And those 2 words, thank you, you have no idea how important they are. So I suggest that we start contributing to our projects and saying thank you to those who are helping us, and acknowledge it publicly, but also in your heart, that thanks to that person or thanks to that thing that entered in your life, you are a better person. It makes you become a better person. Now, these ideas, like all of these go live with Palm, go live with Teresa Palm, all of these ideas are not my own reflection. I mean, although they are my reflections, they reflect the work of authors such as Jason Womack, he is like an energy speaker, and he's a book author, has several materials and resources out there. So I suggest that you go and find people who make a difference in your life and go and thank them and be part of a community where we are all grateful for who we are, thanks to the people that surround us and help us. So if you have any comments about this topic, please jump in, and thank you. I want to thank you for being here, and see you next Monday. Have a wonderful weekend. Hope that it all goes well in this weekend, and bye for now. Just remember that you can always contact me and write to me. I'll be very responsive to your messages to help you become a bilingual professional. Bye for now.